G'day guys, it's Tony's Hot Tip here, and don't forget to subscribe for your 10 years of good luck. Okay guys, today we're doing a DIY Valentine's Day gift, Christmas gift, could be for anything, for your girlfriend or whatever, just a bit creative, make it a bit nice, and she'll be like, thumbs up, right? Now because it's for your missus or wife or whatever, you want to buy a small canvas, 10 bucks, that way if something happens, you didn't spend a lot of money. Alright, so as you can see, I've pre-made my paints here up here, so like so. As you see, buy the cheap paints, mate. Things might happen, breakups, you don't know, you got your paint. Alright, now, say this one's for a lady. Ladies like ladybugs, butterflies, and hot dogs. So, today we're going to start to make a hot dog, right? So you get your paint, and you want to make a hot dog. So first we'll go like the bread, so we'll just whacking that down there like so, whacking that down there like so, right? That's the bread there like so, that's going to be the bread on that side, and then you want to put the bread down here on this side, alright? Now guys, just so you guys are aware, we've just reached the 200 subscriber count. It's a big milestone, big videos coming out guys. Keep subscribing, keep that good vibes going on, right? Now, probably need a bit of red for the hot dog or so we just dip your paint in there in the water. You probably can't see that back there. There's a bit going on back here. Right, so we haven't got red, so we'll just sort of add a bit of white and the pink, and that makes red. So, alright, and then that'll sort of make a nicer red. So we just put all that in there together, you just mix it up, and there we go. We've pretty much got red. Now, I didn't realise, but you probably want to get a nice big brush. This one's a little bit small, but as you can see, we're getting it on there like nice and slow, alright? And she's going to love this. She's going to think you put a lot of thought, a lot of effort in that. So I probably put a bit of black in there just to mix it up. It's a bit light, right? So you want to get that just a bit redder. So if we add a bit of black in there, that should lighten that hot dog up. So you got your hot dog there like so, alright? So you just mix that all up. Now I might get another brush. And as I said, they're like ladybugs, so we'll just do a quick ladybug. So, ladybug over here, like so. You might want to, that's the little ladybug there. And I'll put the little thingies on it, little ears there, like so. Right, and then down here, a little bit, and there we go. As you can tell, that's exactly what a ladybug looks like. Alright, and then we said butterfly, so let's do a quick butterfly. Up here like so, that's there. Now there's the wings, as you can tell, the wings over here. Then you want the antenna, you know, little butterfly antenna like that, and then down here like so. As you can see, that's starting to look really lovely. I mean, she's going to be real proud of that. You could probably put your name down the bottom here, whatever you want, like that. You just put your name down there, and you know, you put a date, make it look nice and pretty for it. Alright, so we've got the hot dog, the ladybug, and the butterfly. And so it's for your lady, right? You're going to want a nice little love heart. So over here, guys, we'll just put a nice little love heart there. Just get a bit more paint. And there we go. Look at that. It's starting to fill up. Look a bit nice. Look a bit beautiful, right? And as all artists do, mate, they like to just do a little lines and just dabby rubbish, right? I don't know why, but you put a bit of line, a bit of dabby rubbish on there like so. That's what artists do, right? And then once it's all finished, you sort of want to fill, you know, all your sides in as well. So you don't want to just leave it all white and blank, because at the moment it probably looks like something that a kid would do. So we just sort of want to fill that up and then make that look whole and make it look nicer. So then what you do at this stage, right, you've got your hot dog, your ladybug, you want to get your paints. Now it's going to look terrible at the start, but trust me on this. So you just want to whirly that all there on there like so, right, get that on there, right, and then just sort of mix that all in, right, just mix that all in, there like so, and then you'll just slowly mix that in, right, mix that all in, there like so. Alright, and now that's looking beautiful, mate. When she gets that and shows all her friends what a beautiful boyfriend, mate, she is just going to be overwhelmed. That she can tell a hot dog, ladybug, butterfly, and that's pretty much it. Right, that's looking beautiful. I just cannot believe how great that's just come up, mate. Right, like that. And that's basically, we're getting to the stage now. We've got the ladybug, the butterfly. We've just put the stuff over the top. Now, for the final touches, and this is very good, so make sure you stick around for this little bit here. So as you can tell, we probably got a little bit too much black there. So as you fix all this up, you just get a little bit of extra paint, so we want to put a bit of pink on there, and you just slowly drizzle that on, right? Slowly drizzle that on, right there, like so. That's putting a few little dots. A little bit more orange, you just slowly, just nicely, just put that there on there like so. There we go. And then the yellow. And see, that's just starting to sort of brighten that up a bit, Brighten that up her life, mate. So you will just absolutely love that. And then once it's obviously going to be dry, we're going to put our name on there. You know what I mean? And yeah. But thanks for the subscribes, guys. Keep subscribing. Keep going, mate. And look, we should run a competition, mate. Look, the best comment on this picture, mate, I will post this out. Donnie will post this out to the subscriber. The best comment that we get today will get this beautiful, lovely picture. Alright, guys, that was Donnie's Hot Tips. See you on the next one. Subscribe, and 10 years good luck. That's it, boys.